Welcome to this week's edition of the Regtech Africa News Roundup. And here are the top headlines for the week. World Bank forecasts Nigeria's per capita income recovery by 2025. CBN appoints new leadership for dissolved union, Keystone, Polaris banks. TM usage drops to 40%, fintech adoption rises according to KPMG reports. Ecobank Ghana names Abena Osei-Poku as managing director. Angola Central Bank gears up to tackle escalating inflation. EU antitrust chief engages in talks with big tech CEOs on regulation and compliance. Visa and CBDC join forces to enhance cross-border remittances to digital wallets. Now the news in details. The World Bank has issued a projection indicating that Nigeria's per capita income is anticipated to rebound to pre-pandemic levels by the year 2025. Per capita income, measuring the average income per person in a specified area, is expected to see improvement based on gradual macro-fiscal reforms initiated by the Nigerian government, according to the Global Economic Prospects Report for January 2024. Shortly after the dissolution of the boards and management of Union, Keystone and Polaris banks, the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) has appointed new executives to oversee the operations of the banks. The CBN took the decisive step to ensure the stability and continuity of the affected institutions during the restructuring process. The new leadership of the banks are Yetunde Oni and Maniru Bali as the Managing Director and Executive Director of Union Bank, Hassa Imam and Chioma as Managing Director and Executive Director of Keystone Bank, Lawal Mudathri and Chris Onyeka as Managing Director and Executive Director Polaris Bank respectively. A recent report by KPMG has revealed that the scarcity of cash in circulation has led to a significant drop in automated teller machine ATM usage, decreasing from 70% to 40%. The report, titled "In Pursuit of Value," gathered insight from surveyed customers of Nigerian and Ghanaian banks, reflecting their experiences throughout the year 2023. Let's go for a short break, and when we come back, the news continues. Welcome to the 2024 Regtech Africa Conference on Awards, happening in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, on the 23rd and 24th of May 2024. This event promises 2 days of unparalleled insights and interaction. Theme: Harnessing Partnerships for Africa's Prosperity, Bridging the Data Trust Gap. 50+ speakers, 1,000+ participants. Join us as we empower women in Regtech and captivating roundtable discussions. Calling all C-level executives, regulators, policymakers, investors, and key industry stakeholders. This is your platform to drive innovation and regulatory excellence. Register now and be part of this transformative experience at the 2024 Regtech Africa Conference on Awards. Engage, connect, collaborate. See you there. Now in African news, Ecobank Ghana has announced the appointment of Abena Osei-Poku as its Managing Director and Regional Executive for the Anglophone West Africa AWA region of the Ecobank Group, effective January 1, 2024. The appointment follows the retirement of the former Managing Director, Dan Saki, and the interim role held by Joanna Mensah, the Acting Manager Director, from August 15, 2023. The spokesperson of the National Bank of Angola has said the Monetary Policy Committee (CPN) is deliberating on strategies aimed at mitigating the surge in inflation affecting the Southern African nation. The spokesperson underscored that the primary objective is to bring down the current inflation rate, presently standing at 18.19%, in an effort to stabilize Angola's economy and prices. In the world news, the European Union's antitrust chief, Margrethe Vestager, has recently held meetings with the chief executive officers of tech giants Apple, Alphabet, and Qualcomm to discuss regulation and compliance with competition policies, particularly in the European digital market. Vestager shared insights into her discussions with each CEO on the social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter. Visa and CIBC have announced a strategic collaboration aimed at providing more convenient cross-border remittance services for the bank's clients. Leveraging Visa's direct robust money movement capabilities, clients of CIBC and its digital banking arm simply will soon have the ability to effortlessly send money to various digital wallets in key remittance destinations, including the Philippines, China, Bangladesh, Kenya, and others where digital wallets are widely used.
And that's it, Regtech Africa News Roundup. Join us again next week for all other important news updates.